Chess, the lost pieces, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Customize your army by swapping out for different pieces. Hovering over a piece says what it does. Only certain pieces can replace certain types of pieces. You can rearrange their starting positions too. You are allowed to remove non-king pieces on your first row if you want. Each piece has a weight. Your army's total weight cannot exceed 150 for online play. In the campaign, you begin with a limited number of pieces. You can then purchase new pieces with the gold you gain from beating levels, as well as earn some for free. Move your king along the path, and as you reach different destinations, you can collect gold, unmake, items, free pieces, and battle. You can only move to the right. You cannot move backwards. While battling, hover over a piece and hold down the Shift key to see its available moves. Hold down Control to see the piece's card description. During a battle, you can use an unmake token to undo your last move. Items are consumable pieces that you can drop onto your half of the board to use for the rest of the battle. Consumed items won't be available after the battle. Make your way through the campaign and beat the final level to win.